Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I got a nifty little gadget here from DEWALT. It's a DCPR320 and it is a pruner. And this thing's packing quite a punch. Alright, so what exactly is a pruner? Well, obviously, you got to prune back some bushes, some trees, some shrubs. This is the gadget to do it. So first of all, I just want to say it's very well built. It's your typical DEWALT quality. It does come with this handy little blade guard, which is a good thing because this blade is very, very sharp. The biggest thing that I just want to stress for this whole video is do not get your fingers near these blades, because that thing goes off, it's taking a finger off. This thing is powerful. How does it work? Obviously we've got a safety here, and you got to push that down and in first, and then you can trigger. One trigger press equals one closing of the blade. Okay. If I hold the trigger down, it stays closed. So it's not going to continuously cut back and forth. You got to hit that trigger every time you want to open and close it. So there's no way for me to test the pressure that this thing can do, but what I can do is run it through different size branches, and we can see how easily or difficult this thing will cut through them. So let's just jump right into the demo on this.
When it comes to cutting power, DEWALT doesn't list an exact pressure rating, but make no mistake, this thing is seriously strong. We're talking hundreds of pounds of cutting force at the blade, easily enough to slice through 1.5 inch branches like they're nothing. That's why it feels so effortless compared to manual pruners. You're basically letting the tool do all the work. If you're tired of hand fatigue from manual pruners, the DEWALT DCPR320B might feel like a total game changer. This compact cordless pruner is built to slice through branches up to 1.5 inches thick, and it does it with way less effort, up to 16 times less than manual cutters. On the plus side, it's lightweight at around 3 pounds, delivers up to 1,100 cuts per charge, and the cuts themselves are quick, clean, and consistent. You also get nice touches like a built-in LED light and easy blade changes, which make it practical for longer jobs or working in tighter, darker areas. But it's not perfect. For starters, this is a tool-only unit, so if you don't already own DEWALT batteries, that's an extra cost right out of the gate. It also tops out at about 1.5 inches, so anything thicker and you'll need a different tool. And because of the motor housing at the front, getting into really tight or dense branches can be a bit awkward. There's also a bit of a learning curve. The cutting action is fast and powerful, which is great for productivity, but you do need to stay aware of your hand positioning at all times. Bottom line, if you're doing a lot of pruning and want to save time and strain, this thing absolutely delivers. But for occasional use or precision pruning, it might feel like overkill.
All right, so what are my final thoughts about the DEWALT pruning shears DCPR320? I think if you have bushes that you trim, this thing is fantastic as a tool. It's much better than those handheld ones that, you know, after 10 or 20 squeezes, you know, your hand hurts. So it does have a little bit of good weight to it. Let's see how much this weighs. Okay, so it does run off the 20 volt max batteries. This tool is brushless and it is very, very powerful. So this particular one was $159 Canadian at the local Home Depot. And I actually got this one for free. They've got a promotion on right now where if you buy something, I can't remember what it was. I know I bought the chainsaw combo with the battery and the charger. And then you get to pick the tool for free. So by the time you're watching this video, I don't know if that promotion will still be on or if it's in America because this was in Canada. However, if you need a pruning tool, this thing is going to last you for years. Once again, on all my videos, I don't make a dime off of these. I don't have any endorsement or anything to do with the company, DEWALT or Home Depot, but I just wanted to kind of run it through its paces, see if it's really worth buying if you need one, and pass that information on to you, right? That's kind of what this channel is all about. So anyways, if you got any value out of this video, I'd appreciate a like, maybe even subscribe. And as always, well, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't do that. That could have been bad. Jesus Christ. And of course, here comes the trailer park supervisor. Never fails. Up.